Hello ladies and gentlemen, and what's going on? So in this one we are gonna take a look at constants. Okay, so I'm in my in my file right here. I create this file constants just to save you some time. It is my PHP tags, and let's discuss what's basically a constant. So a constant is a name identifier for a value. Okay, it's like a variable in a way, but it has some main differences. It can be differentiated from a variable. So a constant, some differences are that the constant cannot be changed, like its value cannot be changed. Okay, once it's defined, it will never be changed. Okay, this is the first difference. The second difference is you can access constant throughout your script. Okay, you can access them from your local scope or your global scope. Okay, this is it for constants. Now let's see how to actually write them. First, you type in define, or parentheses right there, and this is basically will take three parameters. First of all, the name of this constant, and by convention we like to write it in all uppercase. So I'm gonna write the name constant, can choose any name you want, and the second parameter, which can be any type of value you want, an integer, a float, a boolean, a string, any data type you want, but I'm going to choose a string. Let's say this is a constant. And the third parameter, which is going to be like the case sensitivity. Okay, and this is by default false, which means that this is actually this is case insensitive right there. This is this constant basically is case sensitive, so we can leave it as this or we can remove it like that because it's actually by default false. Okay, we can end this statement with a semicolon, and now let's print out our constant. Okay, let me just get it, constant right there. Yeah, a couple of other things to to remember, to point out about naming constants, that you can only use characters or our dash sign, okay, to write them. You don't have to use the dollar sign or any sign, only characters. You have to start with characters or our dash sign. Okay, so let me save this and go to my browser right there, local host / php course / constants -php, and there you go. Here is our value right there. Let me do one more. Define, let's say number. I'm gonna do just a number. Let's say 99. And let me echo it out. Just like that. Okay, let me do a print R right there. Okay, you can see that I made this I made this error on purpose right there. I meant to write it like that. Just I want to show you that it's actually not case sensitive. So all we have to do is go over here and write our zero parameter. We need to turn this from false to true. We save this, go right back over here. You can see here is our 99, despite the fact that this is in all uppercase and this is in lowercase. We can actually turn this like that if you want. Okay, this is in all uppercase, this is in all lowercase. It will print it right, it will print it as it is. It will print the value out of it because we turn this from false to true right there. It will be case sensitive. Okay, and there you go right there. So this is it for this video, and see you in the next one.